Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're upgrading this E92 335D. So we're going to be installing a Wavetrac limited slip differential to it. So that's obviously at the rear of the car. The factory, these cars have an open differential, so severely limits the traction and grip. So let's get the car in the workshop. Let's get the original axle stripped and we'll talk you through why you might want to upgrade from the open differential to the Wavetrac and the process. So let's get the car inside. So we're ready to assemble the Wavetrac axle. Obviously you've got the Wavetrac differential here, you've got the open differential here. So for those that are familiar with the Bmw axles, they started welding them, as in the ring gears, to the original open differential about 07. So we need to fit a Wavetrac differential, we need to separate the original ring gear from the differential and then drill it, tap it to accept some bolts, and then we can fit it to a Wavetrac. So we've done that now. We've got the ring gear on. So you've got the open differential here, you've got the Wavetrac. Why do you want to fit the Wavetrac or any differential? So the open differential from the factory has got what's called a torque bias ratio of 1:1. That means that when one wheel starts to spin, the opposing wheel can only have the amount of torque sent to it as there is traction at the other wheel, which really severely limits the acceleration and stability from the rear axle. And especially when, for example, you're turning around corners, like you take a right corner, the inside wheel has less traction than the left wheel, so you're always going to be limited in terms of being able to put the power down by what the wheel with the lowest grip has. So the Wavetrac has a torque bias ratio of up to 4.5 times. So that means that it can send 4.5 times the amount of drive torque to the wheel with the most grip as there is traction available at the wheel with the least grip, which allows you to effectively send power to the wheel with the most amount of grip, and then it does so evenly across the axle as well. And it does this better than all of the other automatic torque biasing differentials on the market. You might be familiar with brands like Quaife, M Factory. The reason why the Wavetrac is so good is because it has a patented cam device in the center of the differential. What that does is it solves the biggest issue with the open differentials, and then also the ATBs, which have the inherent problem, which is when axle load is severely reduced, like when you're driving around a corner. Take, for example, like a right corner, you unload the inside wheel, the amount of power that can be sent to the wheel with the most amount of grip is severely limited. And the Wavetrac, with the cam device in the center, can continue to bias torque across the axle in those conditions. So it works really smoothly, it works really powerfully, and it works extremely well. So we love installing these in the BMWs and all the other applications. So let's get it fitted to the axle, get it all built up and back in the car and away to the customer to enjoy. So the Wavetrac differential has been fitted. Obviously you can't see it because it's underneath and at the back of the car, but the customer will definitely feel the massive improvement in traction and grip in all conditions, especially if he wants to do massive fat 11s. So if you're looking for this particular product, obviously you can head in the description, you can contact us, and then we can get you booked in for installation. Or if you want to have it just supplied, then you can head on the website link below and we can supply you with the Wavetrac diff. So that's all for now. See you on the next video. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't done already, then give us a thumbs up. If you want to watch some of our other videos that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you want to watch some other videos in the same playlist, then click here. And if you haven't done already, then hit the subscribe button right here.